Okay, I already reviewed the newer version of this kit, but I do like some elements of this one. Obviously, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, no dark and white stuff like that. But it does have, I think, some better examples on how to build Microsoft apps. I do like this layout for components. It's much clearer what you have, what you don't have without all the bells and whistles and examples, which again, super nice, but not necessarily helping you as you try to optimize your design system. At the same time, I think this works with Microsoft apps. I don't know if they updated it yet to the newer kit, but basically all the naming and all the stuff that you see here, including in the examples, could be imported directly from Figma. You would connect it to a database, and then you'd have a working app for your enterprise account. Still pretty interesting examples. When it came out, it was very well done. Obviously, the newer designs are much nicer in style, but also this was a nice try. I think they killed it. In the meantime, I don't know if it works, but I did do a couple of big enterprise apps using this kit, so something to keep in mind.